Hi guys. Oh, alright guys, hello, we're back to a new video and we're going to be playing, what is my friend, Panda, I do know him, and, yeah, and we're going to be playing, Build a Boat. I am actually good, I am royal member, yeah, so, let's load my really cool boat. I'm not sure if I've shown you guys this before, but, yeah. Right, so here's my boat. I've done some upgrades to it without you guys knowing it. It's been emotional. So this is about the jetpack room. Where's the jetpack room? So this is the jetpack room. So that's basically for emergencies. They haven't been going on too well. Don't tell me you don't take it. That's for emergency. Don't be greedy. Good. Okay. I realised actually, Panda actually finally got a new avatar. Well, it takes quite a long time to load because how, like, lots of it is in it. And what is it, actually? I'm actually going to think about it. What is it? It's like a battleship, maybe. I don't know, man, but I'm going to get some more crates. I might carry on building. It's apparently I could get 200. I could get a good deal here, actually. Okay, no more, but I don't know what I said, just don't know why. Well, I'm gonna get some new crates with these because I need to. So I don't know if I don't know why he's building. What is he doing? Oh well, then, so yeah, I'm gonna get these. A lot of people say just no, well, no one actually does, but just, well, just keep on, like, keep them, like, don't waste them. True, I do that. That is quite a good idea. Actually, I just forgot about that. Where am I going to place these? Like, where am I going to build? Am I going to build here or something? If I build here, so I'm going to have to take off that wall, and then I'm going to have to, like, build here, then move there. I don't know. I guess my thing is kind of good. Okay, well, now we've gonna have, I guess that's where we're gonna build, I guess. Yeah. Actually, I should do it like that. Okay, so now let's just get these done. Get these sorted out in their current leading position. Oh, what? I have TNT. Let's test that out, like, about, not far. I mean, like, well, where is my TNT? Oh, don't think the TNT liked me. Where is the TNT? Oh my god. I had TNT, and it's straightway just gone away. There. Okay, well, I think we've just pressed the TNT. Is that how much we can? Okay. I don't think it does anything. Okay. Just clear these out. I don't think it would be a good idea to leave TNT on PvP mode. I feel like you could just blow something. So we're not going to be doing that, obviously. Like, obviously. Because I don't want Panda to blow my thing up, so. This may sound a bit boring. I might just cut a bit of this. Wait. Oh my god. No. How do I cut? Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. I know it always says that annoying V recorder is on. Let me just check if I am. Yeah, okay. So guys, here we are. I only done a little bit. I just need to save this. Oh no. That is not great. I have quite low battery. I don't think that's going to be that great. But, okay, I'll stay in my boat. Let's go now. Alright. Oh, what are you doing, man? There's not much going to be going on. I'm just gonna, so basically, I feel like you know what I'm doing, but let's launch this. Basically, what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be like curving it around to the treasure room there. So then there's like more space. I don't know, well, I thought my friend Panda puts his boat there. So then like, you know. That was just okay, I'm not crazy, but actually quite a good boat. I'm not saying it's actually, it doesn't look that great, but it's actually pretty good. Yeah. Wait a minute. Where's the other? My emergency! There was certainly two, right? Or did someone take one then? He just says okay. I said that like 2 days ago. Well, not 2 days. The heck? Guys, actually, it's not long until my party, or my birthday party. So, I'll put like a little emoji of a birthday thing on the screen. Yeah, I like it. Do you like the popular? Yeah. What if I go on here? Okay. No. Okay, phew. Am I still on? Okay. We need to be quick. How many batteries? We have quite low batteries. We need to be pretty quick. Oh, we actually probably just won. You see, I thought we just won. How are we doing so quick? Is that insane? Put that in the great invasion. Wait, let me see if I can fix it. Full screen on. Wait, this on just died. Robin! No! Robin! There's my other friend too. No! No! He's done! He's done! Wait, can he get back on the boat? Oh no, wait, how far is he from us? Oh no, he's down and then have to walk all the way there! Oh no! No! Shout out to Robin. Oh no, 9994. Like, quick. Yeah, he was a nice friend. Now he's so where is it? It's still coming like, dude, what the? I actually don't have a jetpack, so this is going to be a bit thing. Oh my god, if the football actually survived, I'll be so impressed. Wait, where did it go? What's the football? Are we stuck? Okay. Oh! How move! Wait. Oh my god. Did you see what the football was like? Oh no, we're heading to that. This is really slow. I'm like not even. Okay. We're getting closer. Okay, we actually are. This is getting pretty boring. I'll skip this. Okay, guys, for some reason, we just teleported all the way back. That isn't really supposed to happen, right? Okay. Well, I'm gonna skip again. So guys, we did not win. So, oh my god, I hate that sound every time. So we shamefully didn't win.